Okay, so I saved a couple clips of this guardrail, but this morning I guess I lost all my videos that I saved. I had to format my SD card. So anyways, there was just a small part of the guardrail messed up, and then later it was all messed up. Oh, they fixed it. Dang it. Wait, did they? No, they didn't fix it. Looks like they're about to do something here though. Well, anyways, like I said, there was a little piece of it messed up, and then all that right there. Ah, man, they keep hitting it. I think they're gonna extend the concrete. Oh, look at, yeah, they're gonna fix it finally. They keep fixing the guardrail. They hit it, fix it, they hit it.